Let's talk about the pros and cons of buying a home here in Central Ohio. Hi, I'm Sheila Howell with Redline Realty, and if you're thinking about buying a home here in Central Ohio, let's review some of the pros in this area. First, according to research from experts and economists on home price expectations, wealth can increase as you build equity in your home. Right? That makes sense. But based on our strong economic market, current trends, and housing shortage, it's a common belief that we'll continue to see those home prices increase in our area. This potential for growth can be a significant motivator for home buyers. Analysis based on a $250,000 home indicates that after 6 years, the homeowner would have made over $240,000 in appreciation. Number 2, tax gains. Mortgage interest is typically deductible as per the IRS code. You can speak to your accountant for more specific information and numbers. This can be a significant tax advantage when owning your home. There are also grant programs that may allow you to reduce your tax by giving you a tax credit. But again, talk to a tax accountant so that you understand that fully. Number 3, according to core logic, rents are going to continue to go up and up. But as you pay your principal down on your mortgage, interest expense goes down. Number 4, your monthly payments on a mortgage are relatively stable, especially if you have a fixed rate interest on your loan. However, your landlord can continue to increase your rent. Number 5, have a secure place for you and your family to live and grow. That is really compelling. You can also decorate and expand your home in a way that you choose to create your dream home. Number 6, you gain a sense of community. Homeowners are often more involved in the well-being of their communities, and many homeowners work together to improve schools and lessen crime. So you can see there are a lot of benefits to owning your own home. But I have to be honest, there are some cons with home ownership. So here are a few things that you need to think about before you purchase a home here in Central Ohio. Number 1, you need to think about the cost of maintenance. It takes work and money to keep a home in good condition, sort of like a car. If you don't change the oil in a car, it's going to blow up, kind of like your home. Your home might not blow up, but you get the point. Number 2, it can really tie up cash. So selling a home takes time, and it isn't really like a readily available source of cash if you need it quickly. So during the first 3 years, the cost of home ownership and moving gets a little bit more difficult because you have closing costs in that to consider. So you might not have as much flexibility when you're thinking about changing jobs that's in a new location, unless they let you work remotely. And number 3, your home value can fluctuate. There is no guarantee that your home value will increase. When you buy a home, you must make monthly payments no matter what. So it's always a good idea to have a bit of a nest egg built up in the bank for those times when it rains and it gets a little tight. So there you have it. Let's be real. Buying a home can be really, really scary. So call me, let me guide you through it, and I will simplify the process and help alleviate those worries and pressures so that you can make an informed decision. And as always, Sheila Howell here at Redline Realty, working endlessly to be the best buyer's agent in Columbus, Ohio, and all of its wonderful suburbs like Westerville, Gahanna, Newark, Johnstown, and Heath.